Hello guys, welcome to my channel DIY with Aurea. Today I'm doing a fall collaboration with Crafting with Maria DIY. She is an amazing DIYer. Here are some of her DIYs. Don't forget to visit her channel. She is very creative. Look at all the beautiful DIYs that she creates. Don't forget to stop by her channel and give her a lots of love. And I will leave the link to her channel in my description box. And for our first DIY, I have this orange pumpkin from Dollar Tree along with these 8 beaded necklace. I'm gonna go ahead and make a hole on top of the pumpkin. Once that this hole is done, I'm going to go ahead and start hot gluing the necklace on the pumpkin. So this is the way it looks, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take some white chalk paint and paint the entire pumpkin. I'm taking this piece of white rope from Dollar Tree, and with some jute twine, I am going to wrap the entire piece of rope, creating the stem for the pumpkin. And this is the way it looks all wrapped up. Let's go ahead and cut this piece, and here it is. Now with some hot glue, I'm just gonna glue it right the way you see it right here. And now look at how beautiful. I love the way this is turning out. I have also this ribbon from Dollar Tree. Look at how gorgeous. I'm gonna create a bow, and then the bow I'm gonna tie it with some jute twine and tie it right where the stem is at. I wanted to keep this pumpkin with neutral colors, so I have these little beady flowers from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna cut some of them and put them right on top, right by the bowl. Look at how gorgeous. And I also have this burlap rose that I am going to be putting right here. I think this is absolutely stunning. What do you think? Please leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think, and I will show you the final review in a few seconds. But before, I have another DIY. In a previous video, I showed you all of these window clings. I love them. So now let's go ahead and start putting them to use. I have 2 of these candles that I bought, of course, at Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of these window clings on both of them. Something nice and simple. I think this took a couple of seconds. Look at how gorgeous. You light up the candle and voila, look at how gorgeous. It just gives it a total new look. And I have a second candle like I said before, and we'll put this one that says Seasons of Changes. You could stick these window clings anywhere that you think it might look beautiful. It does not have to be a window. And I will show you now the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. got this little jar at Dollar General for $1.70. It was on sale. And I'm just gonna take more window clings and I am going to stick it right here in front. Doesn't that look beautiful? And then I'm gonna take some hot glue and glue some jute twine right up here. I think I went overboard with that hot glue, but no big deal. I am going to fix that, and here we are. I'm going to wrap it around several times, and once that is done, I'm going to come in with a brush and I'm going to distress it just a bit. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some fall leaves. Now remember that you can add whatever you want on top. And talking about fall, remember this is a collaboration with Aurea. Don't forget to visit her channel, Crafting with Aurea, and show her a lots of love. And this was nice and simple. I'm distressing it just a bit. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this simple DIY. I bought these picture frames at Dollar General. They were 50% off, so I paid 50 cents for each of these frames. I'm going to take some white chalk paint and I am going to paint the entire frame. I'll do the same thing to both of the frames. So now I'm going to take these two wine corks and I am going to hot glue them right on top, and I'll do the same thing to both of the frames again. So I'm creating some beautiful pumpkins. I also have some jute twine that I'm going to be making 2 bowls, and I'm going to be putting one on each frame. Some more window clings. I have some of these leaves and I'll put 1 leaf on each frame. This is so beautiful and so simple. Look at how gorgeous. I also wanted to mention a lot of my viewers have not subscribed. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe? The subscription is completely free. And also don't forget to hit that notification button like that. Every time I upload a video, you are going to be notified by YouTube. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed these beautiful DIYs. And I have this pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I took out that raffia, this little pumpkin, and I am going to cut off this stem. Once that is done, I'm coming in with some white chalk paint and I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole entire pumpkin. So now the pumpkin is completely dry. Now I'm coming with this color. This is the color that I chose. And I'm just going to start drawing some lines on the pumpkin just to give it that definition. And now it's time to start decorating it. I have more window clings and this is the one that I'm gonna use. I'm using white emerald glue. You could use Mod Podge. I think it's the same thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on top of this beautiful pumpkin. This little pumpkin that we took out, we're gonna glue it right back with a little bit of hot glue. Look how gorgeous. And I have this jute twine, but before then I'm gonna take this little piece of wood and I'm gonna hot glue it right up here. So I made a little bow with this jute twine, and with a little bit of hot glue I'm gonna glue it right up here. And then I'm gonna come back with some more window clings and I'm gonna put 2 leaves right by the bow. And I'll be hot gluing some of this Spanish moss right in the bottom. In this channel, I love to do budget-friendly DIYs. I also do some thrift flips, among other little things. I hope you have enjoyed all of these DIYs, and if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comments section, and I will see you in my next video. Adios!